Okay, when you have on the bra, you need to make sure to adjust your breast so your nipple location is as symmetric as it's going to be. Sometimes I get nipple locations marked, one's up here and one's down here, and I know that the breast tissue wasn't able to settle. So if that is the case, we will send it back to you to have you mark your location again. So you're wearing the bra, you've situated your breast tissue, peel your bra out, look inside, see exactly where your nipple is touching the fabric, not on top, not to the side, not on the bottom, where your nipple touches the fabric. Take the sticker. I'm just going to demonstrate on myself because this is very awkward. So I know where my nipple is. Now I'm gently pulling open the cup, taking the sticker and placing it exactly where my nipple touches the fabric. Don't mark on the outside, mark on the inside. So again, the process, we send you these stickers. We also include a return label inside the package. You're gonna put on the bra, adjust your breast tissue so your nipples are settled in the bra, and mark your nipple location inside the cups in the exact spot that your nipple touches the fabric. That's it.